Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add a border to video in Capcut. First of all, you can open the Capcut application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply now tap on the new project at the top of the screen. And here you can just simply select the video. I can select this video. After selecting the video, you can now tap on add one at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply tap on overlay at the bottom middle of the screen. Now you can tap on add overlay again. And here you can just simply add a video. I can add this video. After this, you can now tap on add at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after the loading process, the border of the video will be added. You can just simply adjust the border of this video, and this is the way you can add border in video in a CapCut. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.